By the end of this video, you should have a running 460 chainsaw. I have the bushing on the crankcase assembly. Be sure that these two rubber bushings are on the front of the gas tank. They are pre-installed. I'm ready to slide the two together. Okay, I got the two halves together. I have the intake boot fished through and the impulse line. Use these mini needle nose pliers to get the impulse up through. Let's see. Needs to go through a little more too. There's a pretty good gap on these saws where it's pretty easy to do. Now that that's in, I'm going to go ahead and get some screws and, well, I have the fuel cap laying here. Throw that on, and then I'll get some screws and bolt the tank housing to the crankcase. Alright, so we need this weird looking washer, bushing, whatever you want to call it. And there's the screw for my inside side plate. You never ever know where this stuff is going to be. Use these ones with the shoulder. Up here is what I'm going to do. Alright, these are the screws I'm going to use for the tank to the crankcase. The stop switch through. Did have to remove the recoil. And I also flipped this bushing that goes in over. Go ahead and reinstall the recoil now. Going to put the screw on this inside side plate now that I've located it. Before installing the top cover, put the rubber bumper on. I have 3 remaining bolts left. Going to use those to secure the top cover to the saw. I pop this deflector into place. The next thing, I need to find the carburetor and the throttle rod. Now we're ready for the carb. When you install the carburetor, be sure you put the grommet on there. Then before the air filter base goes on, I'm going to use red thread locker on this stud. Put this plate on with the grommet for the throttle rod that keeps the throttle rod in alignment. I'm still not seeing my throttle rod yet. Now the air filter base can go on, along with these 2 nuts. Ready to put the air filter base on. You should have put your throttle rod on prior to this going on. Probably put it on like as an assembly. Still haven't found mine. Now the other portion of the base can go on. Use these 2 locking nuts to secure it. Now the air filter. Do need to install the winter-summer shutter. I'm putting it in the top so it's blocked off. This is summer. Put it down in the bottom for winter. Now the wrap handle can go on. Let's get them started. Guess I'll get the shorter one at the bottom. Here's my completed Farmertec steel MS660 minus the missing throttle rod. Went back through and looked through all the bags that the parts came in and did not see it. So I guess I'll have to order one from my steel dealer. Aside from that, the saw is ready to run. I do need a plug for where the compression release should go, because that's a place for sawdust to get and cause a fire. And then same with the model plate. I don't know, not sure what I'm going to do with that. I'm always undecided on my Farmertec saws if I want to run the Farmertec or the steel piece on there. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.